scary though. I don't like that. On my car, I don't get that feeling. So we got a 2022 McLaren GT. We just finished a full kit on there. We got MTET to tune the ECU, slapped it in there. The thing is a rocket ship, all right? It's right next to a 458 GTB and a Mercedes GTC. You guys can see all white Mercedes with the carbon spec all the way around, black trim everywhere else. McLaren GT, black trim, everything else, black wheels with the red interior is pretty sick. And we got the 458 GTB. This thing's completely specced out as well, carbon everywhere. Got the red interior, that Ferrari red guts. Does have the white 3-piece wheels on there. And that thing's tuned, downpipes, full exhaust. Brought to you by K-Line, which makes some really sick kits. The McLaren full exhaust. Come on. Straight pipe 3 Series with an E36. Come on, don't call us with the E36. Just tell us you got a 328, guys. The McLaren GT, fully specced out. Does have a full exhaust. If you know, you know. It was tuned by MTET. Pretty sick setup. Stage 2 all the way through. It's got about 720 horsepower right now. And the thing is a rocket, man. We're just going to show you guys the car real quick. Like I said, it's an all-white spec with a red interior. And it's got this burgundy, super clean burgundy interior, which is awesome. Got the McLaren carbon fiber trim on the steering wheel, and you know, we're pretty familiar with McLarens. We just did a buddy of mine, Jacob's McLaren, same car, the GT, same exact setup. That thing's running like a champ, and you know, I got some experience with some McLarens. So another really cool thing about this car is got the glass roof with the active dimming, which is pretty sick. So you can do like this. If these buttons would work, there you go. Pretty sick. So we got the McLaren done. The stock exhaust tips stay on there. They're bracketed up into the bumper. And if you come a little bit closer, let me show you this real quick. You guys can see, not the best angle, but there's a G exhaust system on that thing, bro. The X-Pipe has a G exhaust plaque, which is pretty sweet. Makes this thing really wake up. So we got a full stainless G exhaust X-Pipe system on there. And like I said, stage 2 all the way through, the thing rips. I would say about 720 horsepower, which is absolutely insane. This car weighs absolutely nothing. And now it's running with this Ferrari, man. So the Ferrari's about 750 horsepower, full exhaust, downpipes tune. The thing rips. That one does have a K-Line exhaust, which is pretty sick. That's pretty much it, man. That's the McLaren GT 2022. If you have a supercar, you hit us up, guys. We're working on these all day. We're doing the best packages available for these cars and at the best prices. You cannot beat them. We have manufacturers building these systems for half price. You don't have to spend $10,000 on an exhaust. You hit us up, we'll make one for you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, guys. We're doing these cars for you. YouTube content on the daily, Instagram, Facebook, all the social platforms. Like, comment, subscribe. Send us to your boys. We out.